You know who it is, everybody. I'm back once again with another hair tutorial. Today I'm showing you how I constructed this curly wig using bundles from 915 Beauty. Alright, so I'm using this full cap and it has a strap in the back that you can use to tighten the wig. This hair is from 915 Beauty's Starlet collection and this is the deep curl. And I'm going to start by wrapping one perimeter track just under the wig. This will be pretty much the only time I'll cut the track. I'll be using the folding method from here on out. The only other time I'm going to cut the track is once I get to the top and I want to create that flip over effect. So here I am stitching pretty much from temple to temple. And again, this track is going to be just under the wig cap. Now with that perimeter track completed, I am going to start stitching the tracks onto the net, starting at the nape of the neck. Once again, I'm using the fold over method, so you'll see me folding the track over as I get towards the end of the net.
Perfect.
As you get towards the middle, you can start to space the tracks out a little more. And then towards the top, I'm gonna put them a little closer together again. Now we're getting towards the top and you'll see that the tracks are forming a C shape. Once you get to about this point, I think this section is probably about 2 to 3 inches across the front. And this is where I'm going to cut the track and begin the flip over method. So all I'm doing is stitching the tracks from front to back. And I'm still using the flip over method here and just going back and forth until I reach the other side.
Perfect.
And here's a view from the front. Now at this point, I'm on my last track and I'm gonna kind of stitch this last track to the one that it's closest to, if that makes sense to you. Basically, I'm closing up these two tracks together so that you can't see the tracks. So this last track will not be completely flat, it'll be sitting up just enough to close those two tracks together. Once that's done, you clip the thread and we're pretty much finished. The only thing that I did from here was stitch clips into the wig. So I have two at the temples at the top, and then I have this one comb in the back. You can purchase these from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description box below. And here's the finished look. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that notifications button so you don't miss a beat.